Alright guys, so I just picked up the wide body from Custom Craft Auto here in Santa Fe, and I am absolutely blown away by the quality. So it's in the back of my van. Oh yeah, I also got a new van. That's going to be another video. It's going to be used for race and travel activities. So anyways, Custom Craft Auto painted the wide body, and yeah, like I said, they just blew my expectations out of the water, which is hard to do. I have a really high standard of work that I don't do myself, and they absolutely exceeded that. Alright, so here's the painted kit. This was the OIRAM Japan kit, and like I said, they absolutely killed the paintwork. So I'm going to take a piece into the sun, and you can just tell it's like incredible finish. So yeah, I'm so impressed. I literally can't believe how good this came out. Couldn't wait for the hardware to come in, and I've already started to test fit pieces, and yeah, it's phenomenal. Like, you can't really tell what is stock and what the kit is. So here's how it looks just with the Clico fasteners, and I mean, you can just see like the two different paints look the exact same. Like, the kit literally looks OEM. I'm blown away. So good. So I'm pretty happy. Doesn't really get much better than that. And the fitment's really nice, so we're kind of contemplating even using the gasket sealer. You know, we got it pretty spot on when we did the test fit and install. So we're waiting on rib nuts and hardware, and then we can start doing the final install. I should have those in the next couple hours, so I will keep you posted on this video. But yeah, Custom Craft Auto here in Santa Fe. If you're local to the area, they absolutely kill it. Yeah, I'm super stoked. Steve just delivered the hardware, so we have everything we need, and we're gonna try and get the full wide body on tonight. So we are using a rib nut style setup. So basically, drill the big holes in the car, drill a hole. I like to use a drill bit that's slightly too small, and that way you can kind of force the rib nut in and it holds a lot better. So drill the hole, drill the hole, drill the hole, and then you put the rib nut in. I have a special rib nut tool that like compresses the backside and it holds onto the car. So yeah, we just had a conversation about self-tapping screws and using them on wide bodies, and honestly, if you buy a wide body that costs more than 50 bucks and you're not using rib nuts or something, you know, a little nicer than a self-tapping screw, then I don't know what to tell you, but it does look really bad. Self-tapping screws just look horrible on wide bodies. So yeah, this is the kit I have. It's got a bunch of different sizes for a bunch of different rib nuts. And we got spacers, we got a whole bag of rib nuts, we got stainless hardware, and we got backside washers to keep moisture out of the spacer and the hardware. So I'm going to drill some holes and set these rib nuts and put the panel on. Alright, I'm going to waste a rib nut for you guys. So this is the device. I don't know if you can see, but it's got like a threaded end right there. So these are what the rib nuts look like. And basically the way this works is you put that on the end of this device, and then you just squish it, and it flattens that side of the rib nut, and that's essentially what holds it to the body. So you can kind of see, maybe, that the rib nut has distorted here in the center. That's what's holding it to this body panel. Okay, so we got one piece of the flare mounted and the wheel with it, and it is insane. Like the craziest combo I've ever seen. It goes perfect together. So I'm gonna show you. All right, so here we go. Oh my God. So that's about ride height. The car's on bags. But yeah, the fitment of the kit, these are the cool hardwares with the little spacer in between them. We did put the gasket just because we are going to use it on the rest of the kit, and it kind of goes pretty well. But the fitment is just insane. Like there isn't a single gap where light or anything is getting through. It's perfect. This is ridiculous. Definitely the nicest combo I've seen. T37 Mark IIs with OIRAM Japan widebody kit. So good. So we're gonna finish the kit and we will show you a picture once it's done. So we got a side of the kit on and it is absolutely insane. It just looks phenomenal. So this is the OIRAM widebody, paint matched World Rally Blue. With Volk T37 Mark IIs with the deepest dish that you can buy on airbags. And yeah, I mean, it kind of just speaks for itself. You know, obviously I did a killer install. Looks OEM. And Custom Craft did a killer paint job. Also looks OEM. And you know, Volk did a killer job building these wheels, because they're in Japan and Japanese people do killer jobs at everything. But yeah, she's thick, that's for sure. She is very, very thick. And I am very, very happy with the result. That's pretty much aired out look. But yeah, just unreal. Super crazy. And don't mind the mess of cardboard back there. That's all the parts for this car that we're putting on. Also got the P1 Buddy Club seats going in, and a roll cage, and a bunch of other stuff. We just put the APR spoiler on with the GT3. Steve's about to die taking a picture, aerial shot. So yeah, I mean, it's just like, you know, when things come together like this, it just means so much, you know, like there's been so many people involved and so many man hours. Literally many hundreds of hours have gone into this car. So, you know, I think you guys are really, really gonna like it. But yeah, it's unreal. It just looks like nothing I've ever seen. It's just like, it looks OEM, to be honest. Like, this is how it should have come from Subaru. Oh, we also got the Burns Auto carbon fiber rear diffuser, which is a pretty rare piece. I haven't seen these on many VA cars, and we're waiting on a OLM, I believe, rear diffuser to go underneath that, and we got the Burns Auto carbon side skirts. So lots of carbon, lots of JDM stuff. This car is crazy. So yeah, that's probably where I'm going to call it for today. I'll probably install the rest of the kit tomorrow, as it's pretty late already, and Steve and I both have to wake up pretty early. So yeah, see you guys later.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We have an issue. So as soon as I cut the video off, we tried to... we had an issue, and basically a piece of the kit hit the ground, and...
Don't show Robert that.
It chipped the paint off the new kit. I don't know if you can see it. It's basically totaled though, right there. And made some scratches all along it. Very sad. It was just like the most I felt like I had a newborn baby fall out of my hands and explode on the ground. It was horrible. A newborn baby. Look at that. We're gonna try and get it at the paint shop tomorrow.
We'll put a fence around the car, that way people can't get up close to it.
Real, yeah,
Well, I'll just stand there the whole time.
One of those like hotel fences.
I'm just gonna stand there the whole time so people can't see.
Because people are gonna be like, you'd be like, no. So yeah, we're gonna try and take it to the paint shop and see if they can fix it, hopefully. 4 days to finish the car, get the kit repainted. I'm working on the intercooler pipes, installing the kit, setting up the air suspension, and then we gotta put the interior in the new seats in the cage. So yeah, it's crunch time. Very stressful, very heartbreaking to see that happen, just like dumb mistake. So now this is really the end of the video on a sad note. A sad note. We're falling asleep. What's up, guys? So we're in the final stages of cutting. My buddy Steve is literally watching his car become totaled, and he is not having a good day. So far I've cut through the plastic bumper and started going up onto the quarter panel, and basically what I'm doing is just following this arch here, and then I'm gonna seam weld the two pieces of metal together. You can kind of see the inside piece there. So yeah, I'm just gonna do video of that, and then you can kind of see the process. I don't have a MIG at the moment, and I don't really feel like TIGging this, so I'll probably just leave it exposed for now or hit it with some silicone. So yeah, let's see how it comes out. So we got the driver's side of the kit on. Basically chopped up his car, made it lighter than it was before, hopefully. I tried to TIG weld it, but the material was just too dirty and too thin, so I'm gonna get some silicone and just silicone this and potentially get a fender roller and roll it out a little just so it's not really in the way there, because yeah, you can't really leave that exposed. So I took the liner out so we can air the MF out of this car, which is the goal, to put it on the frame and drive it like that. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it for tonight. We've finished the intercooler piping, detail the car, do an oil change, finish the body kit, put in the interior in the cage, and finish wiring the airbag system. So it'll be a busy morning for sure. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. But that's how you cut fenders off your car.